Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And you know, we already started our own tailoring system. So for your customization, western dress, gown or any type of dresses customizations, for contact through WhatsApp. And you know, today I have selected some smart elegant collections and soft comfortable also. So let me display. This one is very beautiful one, bright color combinations, pure khadi Banarasi, soft one, summer friendly and with golden zari fine hand weaving border design. And this one, you know, very lightweight soft one, summer friendly. This one is full base part but very gorgeous looks. This one is border portions, fully golden zari fine hand weaving heavy worked Banarasi border, and base part is khadi cotton. And this one is beautiful fine Banarasi weaving buta design, very smart bright looks and lightweight comfortable summer friendly. And this one is full base part khadi Banarasi. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu portions, beautiful fine golden zari heavy worked pallu and but very soft one, summer friendly. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this one for your exclusive smart looks. And this one, you know, very nice color combinations, light shade, soft one, tissue lion base, silver zari weaving border, soft one, have sign also. This one, you know, full base part, very elegant color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom tissue lion, silver zari border. And this one is pallu portions, gold silver zari fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very fresh looks, have silver shiny material, silver zari weaving border design. And this one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. For blouse days, customized blouse days, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also, you know, very smart and bright look, soft comfortable pure handloom tissue cotton material, tissue cotton, have sign also, bright parrot green shade, golden sign with golden zari weaving border design. This one, you know, full base part, very soft one, summer friendly. This one is fine golden zari weaving border design, and this one is full base part, very bright looks. And this one, you know, pallu portions, golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very bright fresh looks. This one is full base tissue cotton material, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this golden shade heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful smart looks and bright one. And this one, you know, full base part is neat weaving tissue lion material with neat weaving design. This one, you know, full base part, very elegant bright looks, based for your function wear. This one, you know, festival, best for your festival and function wear, fully neat weaving, have golden sign, full base part is same weaving pattern, golden zari border. And this one, you know, pallu portions, contrast golden zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one, you know, full base part is neat weaving. This one is neat weaving base. And this one, you know, border portions, pure lion by lion weaving, highlighted border, golden zari with lion by lion weaving. And this one is tissue lion weaving with net pattern, very trendy looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very bright fresh looks, based for your festival. And I will suggest this silk material checks with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. For sewing your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one, you know, very beautiful one, khadi cotton base with fine embroidery work and very soft one, summer friendly and fully fine embroidery. This one, you know, full base part. This one is full base part, very beautiful elegant one, and contrast border and full border portions, fine embroidery work. And this one, you know, full base part also, fine embroidery buta design. And this one is pallu portions, heavy fine embroidery work. This one is pallu portions, heavy worked very colorful also. Base part is khadi cotton with fine embroidery design, and this one full base, very elegant looks. This one is border portions highlighted, and this one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very elegant one, natural fabric, lion by lion, golden zari border, purple shade with fine weaving, hand weaving, buta design, very bright, fresh look, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one border portions golden zari border, contrast pink piping, and this one is pallu portions golden zari wide patch with beautiful weaving buta design pallu, and this one full base part, very beautiful fresh looks, dark purple shade with fine weaving buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one is border, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very beautiful one, a bright royal blue shade, cotton silk material, golden zari border, very soft one, soft, summer friendly with beautiful fine golden zari weaving buta design, and this one is border, and full base part is fine weaving buta, fully hand weaving design, very smart bright looks. This one is full base part, and this one pallu portions fully golden zari fine heavy weaving design work pallu, and this one is full base part, very soft one, summer friendly bright looks. Full base part is fine weaving buta, golden zari border, and heavy worked pallu, very nice and very soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material. And I will suggest this silk material mirror embroidery work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. So very beautiful one, bright color combinations, bright looks, and base part is laden by cotton weaving with heavy weaving design, full base part, fine golden zari heavy weaving design work, full base, very soft one, summer friendly, gorgeous looks. This one full base part is fine golden zari heavy weaving design work, and very bright looks, based for your festival. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions contrast golden zari heavy fine weaving design work, highlighted pallu, and very soft one, summer friendly, and this one is full base, very trendy looks. This one is full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and bright gorgeous looks. This one also very bright, beautiful, elegant looks, and soft sober color combinations also. Muslin base, silver zari weaving jamdani work. This one full base part, transparent contrast 1 inch highlighted red border, and full base part is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, silver zari weaving jamdani work, very bright looks. This one silver zari weaving jamdani, and base part is muslin, and this one pallu portions fully silver zari weaving patch pallu, and this one is full base part is same weaving work jamdani work. This one full base part, bright looks, and this one is fully jamdani work transparent, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one very nice color combinations, pure muslin with jamdani work, and very elegant color combinations. Let me open. Fine golden zari border premium quality pure muslin with jamdani work, exclusive one. This one is golden zari premium quality soft golden zari border, and full border portions hand weaving jamdani work, and full base part is transparent pure muslin with beautiful multi-color weaving polka design, hand weaving work fully, and this one pallu portions fully heavy hand weaving jamdani work pallu, colorful also. This one is fine hand weaving jamdani work, pallu in sequin stripes. This one is pallu in sequin stripes design, and this one no full base part is same border portions jamdani work heavy. This one is heavy jamdani work, premium quality golden zari border, base part is weaving polka design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part very elegant, trendy, fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. In a very beautiful one, muslin base, bright color with fine hand weaving butta design, very smart, bright looks. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful fine hand weaving butta design, silver zari with contrast color weaving design butta, very smart, elegant looks. And half portion is matka base, this portion is matka, and this upper portion is muslin. Upper base part transparent with jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece, the split portion is matka, and upper base part is muslin transparent with jamdani work. And this one pallu in matka stripes with sequin design, very trendy and bright gorgeous looks, based for your function wear, party wear, very trendy and bright looks. And I will suggest this silk cotton fabric checks with weaving border work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And today I have taped a beautiful saree, very elegant also, premium quality organic layen by layen base, golden saree border and full border portions, beautiful fine smart weaving butta design with highlighted silver zari stripes, fine stripes with butta work, full border portions, and base part also butta multicolor weaving butta design. And this one is pallu portions, fully smart hand weaving design work pallu. Very soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, organic layen by layen material. Beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry and smart blouse. If you want same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.